Hello friends, Just a Lost Soul here, and welcome back to Megaquarium. I almost said Jurassic World Evolution 3. It tells you what I've been recording lately. Anyway, so we are here in our lovely aquarium, just kind of building it up. This is a very chill series. It's not very objective-driven. We're just kind of hanging out, chilling with these fish, because fish are amazing. I actually visited the Seattle Aquarium, which is kind of my local aquarium. I live in the greater Seattle area, yesterday, and it was a blast. So I'm feeling inspired, and we're gonna work on some stuff. Our stingrays and leopard sharks have grown. Spectacular. How are they doing? Oh geez, they're humongous. And it looks like their water quality is no longer quite there. Yeah, not quite. Okay, if we put a sterilizer on there, doesn't quite do it. Dang it. Okay. Let's see. Any chance I can fit... Oh, here's what I can do. I can move that back there. Bring this wall back. Cut into this here. Oop. Definitely didn't mean to do that. We're just gonna... Right. Okay, that goes there. And we put a door there. And then this goes there. Yeah! Awesome. Okay. And then, just so we still know what we're doing, we'll cut into that and then put another wall along the back of this. Yeah. And let's get another toolkit in there as well. Rock Dome Tropical, I guess. Tool station. There we go. Okay. Oh, we unlocked the wolffish. Let's see, what do we want next? There's so many options. Like, trumpet fish are pretty cool. Maybe something from, like, lower down that will unlock faster. Striped boxfish. Okay, how are things looking, just in general? This is our introductory tank right by the entrance. We got some triggerfish and some groupers. Surgeonfish. We have our hawksbill sea turtle, who's definitely the most notable resident. Maybe we should redo these tanks. Or something like that. I'm not crazy about them. This is our big reef tank, which is like full to bursting. And looks pretty spectacular, gotta be honest. Some smaller kind of satellite tanks. This one's got squid in it. Yeah. Jaguar cichlid. No thanks. Cleaning. Coral beauty. Yeah. We also... How's business going over here? We built this. Littering. Jerks. Let's get them a broom over here. And a sink. I'm gonna sneeze. So sorry. Okay. Bird wrasse. Actually saw a bird wrasse at the aquarium I went to yesterday, and it was awesome. They're surprisingly really neat fish. Here's our puffins and stuff. Our seabirds. We haven't spent much time over here lately. Oh, we got it already. Did we get the female? Yeah. And our sea otters. Okay, what are we actually building right now? I'm not really sure what our focus is for today. Yeah, let's just research a whole bunch of these little fish. What do we unlock at the next level? quite a lot of things. We unlock black-tip reef sharks, which is pretty exciting. Blue-spotted rays. Starry smoothhounds. Discus? Discus is exciting. Maybe we should work on freshwater today. Jeez. Let's go even faster. Leopard toby puffer. Look at it go. Common hermit crab. What's our capacity in here? Is everything fully grown now? Yeah. And it looks like we still have quite a bit of room to put things. This tank looks a little bit better with the bigger fish in it. What's in here? This is our, like, rockfish kind of tank. And this one has all our tiny squids. Look at them. Adorable. Okay, hermit crab. Bangai cardinal fish. That was another really cool one I saw yesterday. Our leopard sharks aren't getting fed. What the heck? Okay, they're working on it. Nothing's getting fed. What the heck are you guys doing? Works on. Yeah, do your freaking jobs. I have 3 people, like, assigned here. Some of whom are, like, god-tier feeders. What are you doing? Okay. I don't even know. Indo-Pacific swamp crab. Jeez. Freckled-faced tang. Zone 5. We only got 1 person on Zone 5. That's okay. I think we just need to hire even more people, like, honestly. You're very well-rounded. Like, yeah, we're making really good money. There's really no reason not to. Isabel leveled up. Okay. So many... It's just so many fish. Cockatoo cichlid. Okay. They need herring. I guess maybe they're a little short on... Like, everyone's eating herring right now, so... Like, yeah, the leopard sharks are eating everyone's herring, so there's some food competition happening. That's not ideal. Oh well. I just realized this is written cockatoo cichlid. That is definitely not the case, having watched those fish before. They are fiercely defensive of their mates. I love typos. Okay. So what else is going on? Oop, that's not right. There we go. Jamila leveled up. Okay. What do we have in terms of freshwater fish? Okay. Give me something that'll take a little longer. Slingjaw wrasse. That's pretty cool. Okay, we got angelfish. That's exciting. I think we can breed, like, variants of them. We have our guppies. Oh my god. That. Killifish. Penguin tetra, cardinal tetra, Bozeman's rainbow, piranha, red-tail catfish. That's pretty cool. Black Ghost Knifefish, one of my favorite fish. Okay, so we do have things. We don't have a ton of them. Get 8 black-tip reef sharks. I mean, we're gonna unlock these at the next level anyway. So, I think I'm gonna decline that just because 8 seems like a lot. Feels like a restrictive amount of black-tip reef sharks. You know what I mean? Okay, so let's see. Do we have, like, like a jungle kind of paint? We have rainforest paint, but that's not the kind of thing I have in mind. Do we have, like, Venetian cobble paint? I don't know. There's so many things we unlock. We unlock a platypus? That's absurd. Okay. Okay. Let's try some of these out, I guess. What does rust paint look like? Terrible. Marina paint. That's just harborside paint at home. Vine paint. Also pretty terrible. Bayou. Eh. Just green. I'm looking, by the way, for like something with a bit of a freshwater kind of vibe. Not really seeing it. There's the rainforest. Yeah. It's okay. Minimal. No. Leafy. No. Cabin. Kind of. It's not like a billion miles off. Bamboo forest. Cave. Sunken ship. So many. Okay, it's just a darker variant of what we're using. We unlocked that RAS. Okay. Japanese wobbegong. Bamboo paint? I don't know. Streamlights, leafy, open sea. None of these really have the vibe I want. I guess we'll go with rainforest for now. I'll put this back to shipwreck. And we'll kind of just cut into that. Yeah, maximize our space a little bit. Yeah, this is all behind the scenes, so it doesn't need to be painted the same color for the area. Yeah, this'll work for now. Maybe we do that just to like kind of emphasize, like hype up the zone. Yeah. Okay. Okay, what's next? What kind of tanks do we want to be putting in this? Maybe a deep outcrop tank, just in the center there. We haven't really used this one before, it looks kind of cool. Escolar, I'm good. You walk in and you see that. I don't know. Yeah, maybe this can be like more of a tight hallway kind of thing. We unlocked the wobbegong. We should probably be researching freshwater things, because that's what I want to focus on right now. Firemouth cichlid. Yeah, and then it expands this way. The idea for this is this hallway is going to go all the way out this way, and it'll connect there. And, like, join on to where the rest of the marine mammals are. Let's actually build that real quick, just to kind of have it in mind. Ooh. Whoops. I'm just gonna kill that and then redo it in shipwreck as the default. Which, yeah. We'll worry about that later. But that'll connect onto there. Go back to rainforest. Maybe this connects like that again. Yeah, like that. And then this can go farther back there as well. Yeah. There we go. Cave Tetra. Okay, we'll cut into this as well. And this, because that just looks kind of daft. Yeah, okay. And this can go there, and that can go there. And people can do things. We unlock the Cave Tetra. What else is there? Kissing Gourami. Yeah. Nancy leveled up. Feeding, because feeding's the most important. Is everything looking okay? Yeah. Everyone's getting fed. Okay. Kissing Gourami unlocked. Congo Tetra. Yeah. Okay, 88. There. That'll do it. What do we want to put in here? I'm thinking angelfish. Just like a handful of angelfish, and then we can breed a whole bunch of different colors. Or maybe we wait on prestige for discus. Where are they? You can't see their stats yet. Oh, we unlocked sawfish? That's so cool. Okay, maybe I should be doing quests for prestige archways. I can do that. Yeah, maybe I should put shipwreck back to the default for this. Blue mackerel. Sure. I mean, if they're gonna give me an option to just unlock things quicker, I'm gonna take it. Paku. Large archway. There. What else can we put archways on? Not that many things, I feel like. Do we have, like, more down here? Tunnel archway. Can't put that there. Can I put it there if I kill the wall? Tunnel archway. Sure, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, why not? Let's have that. Cory. Okay. Brown chromis. And 3 different animals. Science poster with value 250. Okay. What has high science out of all our things? 360. Okay. Yeah, so we can put a science poster on this thing. Would that be in here? Yeah. There. That'll get that quest going. Okay. I want to unlock these fish, because they're exciting. Green fire tetra. Those ones are cool. I've seen them before. Okay. There. I don't think this is a terrible amount of space. I think we'll be able to make some stuff happen. We're 20 minutes in and we haven't gotten a single new fish. So let's buckle down and get some stuff done. I think an observer tank would look really nice there. Needs to be rainforest again. Dang it. Okay. And let's put a door here so people can get in and out from there as well. Okay, so what's gonna live in here? Something exciting. It's got 48. Cockatoo cichlid. Okay, acidic or neutral. 50%. Green fire tetra unlocked. Okay. No one there. I want, like, more tetra species. There's not any. There's that brown chromis that we need for that one quest. Golden dwarf barb. What if we just got, like, a whole bunch of cardinal tetras? They need acidic water. Penguin tetra. Okay. Okay, I'm thinking. Got the barb. Let's do something that'll take a little longer. Let's research a rank 9 freshwater thing. Whatever the first one we see is. Gold nugget pleco. There we go. Okay. Well, first things first. Let's put a large colony on this. That actually blocked off that. There. And I think we'll switch which one of these is the door. We put it there. Heck yeah. Oh, we didn't even get prestige from that. We just unlocked the mega heater. Which I think we might have already had unlocked anyway, so... Alright. We need the RO machine. On there. Plate coral. Good. Okay, 48. Let's just put cardinal tetras in here. Let's put 8 and then see how much we have left. Okay, they need lots and lots of plants. Which should be pretty easy. Okay, snake grass looks pretty good. Put some more there. Yeah, that'll do it. Cardinal tetras. Okay, we'll put something else with them, I guess. Yeah. Let's get 2 more. Now they need more plants. Do we have, like... Where's our Java fern? There we go. And, green fire tetras need neutral. Dwarf Gourami needs at least 4 of that one, I guess. Yeah. Can live in that, though. It's nibbleable and it's a wimp. I don't think either of those cause problems with this. Okay, they need so much plant. This is actually a little absurd. What gives the most plants? The mangrove tree, probably. The bog moss will do. There. That looks pretty nice, actually, in there. Yeah, okay. And we've got 20 whole space left, so we'll put something else. Adolphoi Cories. Needs a 2x2 space. That's actually a pain, given how small these things are. Oh, geez, our cardinal tetras are breeding. I didn't realize they were able to do that. I don't think they breed variants, though, so... Tetra. What's its requirements? Fluffy foliage. Okay, that'd be that. Let's just sell these. I don't... Yeah. Okay, Congo Tetras? Might be a little big. Penguin Tetra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our water quality is not good enough either, which is actually a humongous pain. Because I don't have a way to run a pump to this. Okay, what are we gonna do about that? Things are so tight. Will a power pump hit that? No. Yeah, okay, so if we put a door there, and we just put, like... Okay, we can't have protein skimmers, but we can have, like, a nitrate reactor. Yeah, that does it. Okay. Beckett's water trumpet. Maybe something that'll stick into there. Yeah, like that. Okay. So, we got penguin tetras, and we have 10 space left. What else do we want to put in here? It looks very nice, very dynamic. Maybe like, Our Sunshine Pleco actually fills that space perfectly. Needs 7 or more decorations and a little bit of rock and bogwood. We may or may not be able to do that. Okay. Tropical. Let's do it. Okay. So he's at risk of death. Oh wait, he needs floating too? Jeez. Okay. Let's see about this. Flat slate. We'll keep that space clear for then. Okay. And then a little bit of floating cover. This guy's a serious drama king. He's gonna... Oh, he needs 2 more decorations as well. Got it. Okay. This might actually be a bit of a problem, because... What has floating? Okay. Yeah, we need to keep a space clear for our gouramis. Okay. Yeah, that's not gonna fit anywhere. How much does it add? How much, plantage? +6. +5. Oh, it's actually better than the bog moss, as nice as it looks. I think we have to get rid of that. Put that in. And now you need 1 more... You need 2 more decorations still. Okay. Okay. Siamese water trumpet. And then a bigger one. No. Water star. Too small. Kelp? Could actually look kind of good, to be honest. Corkscrew Valis. Does that ruin you guys? It does. Dang it. Yeah, okay. Shoot. Okay, let's get rid of this. And now our Pleco's gonna die again. Because he's a serious drama king. Common water hyacinth. Oh, there is a floater that does that. Okay. And, okay, something else, like, thicker. Crypt. short snake grass. Oh, he needs more float as well. Okay. Where was it? Let's just do floating lettuce, honestly. There. Okay, everybody's happy. That ended up being kind of a pain. But this should look pretty nice when it's... yeah. And they need foods. Where am I gonna put that? Oh, their foods they need are right there already. That's good. Okay, God, we just need that prestige to put us over the edge so we can get the more exciting fish. Let's build one more tank. Let's get piranhas. Piranhas are nice and exciting. It should help with the fact that there's been, like, nothing this whole episode. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll pull a wall into here. Gold nugget pleco. River stingray, that's fun. And we'll just put in another deep wall tank there. Yeah. And maybe, okay, maybe we make this section just wall as well. So it fits. Looks a little weird, but it's always kind of gonna, so yeah. Everybody's been leveling up. Rob's our gift shop guy. Yeah, I can take that. It just gives me money, but yeah. We want to sell that. There we go. Okay. Do rainforest paint real quick. Yeah, we need like a headline species for today. We don't really have that right now. We'll just put that there. And we'll add piranhas. Need size 15. Okay. What's 15 times 6? This might be a problem as well. 15 times 6 is definitely more than 48. Dang it. Okay. Black Ghost Knifefish. There. Yeah. We'll get you. And then we can put, like, angels in there or something. And he is going to die. Where's our row machine? I think we just need those small one. Yeah, that did it. Okay. And he needs cave and rock, which is just fine. There. And a little bit of wood. Oh, we have trunk. Nice. Awesome. Okay. And what's wrong with him now? Needs more decorations, and he needs lugworms. Wow. Interesting. I've never seen that one before. Okay, that can go there, and it needs zooplankton. There we go. We'll make that a priority. And he needs 2 more decorations. Crypt. Yeah. And snake grass, because snake grass is awesome and makes everything in this game look better. Where is he? There he is. Okay, can we put him with angelfish? We can. Yes, okay. He won't bully them, will he? Size 1 to 5. Dang it! Okay, we can't put him with angelfish, even though that works in real life. Alright, I'll find something else that can live in there then. Kissing Gourami? Tinfoil barb, maybe? No, it needs neutral. Dang, okay, nothing's working out right now. That's a little frustrating. Maybe the fire mouth cichlid? Pairs only. Size 5. You damage up to size 5. Yeah, that's really frustrating. They don't actually do that in real life. They're pretty chill fish. Famously so. Alright. Maybe you can live with a Bashir. Ooh, what did I do? There we go. Floor Abyssal Tank. And he can only live by himself, so... Dang. All our freshwater fish are either too big or too small right now. That is the situation. Darn. Yeah, we just need more. Need more options. The angels would look so good in here. And I love Black Ghost Knifefish. What's his top size? 13. Maybe we can move him into a smaller tank and put angels in there. Okay, either way, I think we have to end this episode. Bit of a slower one today, but we sort of established this new area. It should have some exciting things in it by the time it's done. We unlocked our river stingray. One sec. Let me see if I can find something that will live with it. Maybe. I don't think it's gonna happen. Let's just research Black Phantom Tetras. Okay, we're gonna end this episode here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was definitely on the more low-key side. Like and subscribe if you did, and I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, I hope you have a delightful rest of your day. Thank you so much. Goodbye.